Hey guys, it's Aubrey
and Tara. Welcome back.
Today we're going to be sharing our family favorite recipe for blueberry cheesecake ice cream.
Once you try this, you'll definitely be coming back for seconds.
It's that good. So without further ado, let's get started.
Starting off, in a small saucepan, add in a 1/4 cup of sugar, along with 1 tablespoon of cornstarch and 1/3 cup of water. Stir until dissolved. Adding the cornstarch thickens the blueberry sauce. Now add in 1½ cups of fresh or frozen blueberries and 2 teaspoons of lemon juice. Bring mixture to a low boil over medium heat, stirring occasionally. And if you don't like blueberries, you can replace them with blackberries, raspberries, or strawberries. After about 5 minutes, the berry mixture should be thick and some of the berries should burst. Next, mash the berries with a fork. This part is important because you don't want whole blueberries making your ice cream icy. So once that's done, set aside and let cool for about 30 minutes in the refrigerator. While the blueberry mixture is cooling, we're going to make the base of our ice cream. In a large measuring cup, whisk together 2 cups of heavy whipping cream, 1 cup of whole milk, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. And set aside. Whip the cream cheese in a large bowl with a hand mixer until fluffy. And adding the cream cheese is what makes this ice cream cheesecake flavored. Then add in 2/3 cup of brown sugar, a 1/4 teaspoon ground cinnamon, and a pinch of salt. Also, scrape down the sides of the bowl if needed. And continue beating until smooth. To the cream cheese mixture, pour in the heavy cream mixture and beat just until combined. Now pour the ice cream base into a frozen ice cream maker. Churn the ice cream according to the manufacturer's instructions. Ours took about 30 minutes. After about 30 minutes, your ice cream should look something like this. At the last minute of churning, add in 4 ounces of cubed cream cheese and let that mix in. We love adding the cream cheese cubes because it adds an extra texture and gives this ice cream even more cheesecake flavor. Then remove the ice cream from the ice cream machine. And you guys, look at how thick and creamy this ice cream is. Pour ice cream into a 9x9 inch pan and spread it out evenly. Try to do this quickly because you don't want the ice cream to melt. Next, add in the chilled blueberry mixture into the ice cream base and swirl it in. Then cover ice cream and let freeze for at least 6 hours or overnight. Six hours later, remove from freezer, let thaw a bit, and then you are ready to serve.
The brown sugar and cinnamon give it a very unique flavor.
And it's super pretty too. You guys will love it.
If you guys are new here, be sure to subscribe and hit that notification bell down below so you don't miss out on our new videos, and we will see you very soon.
Bye!